Hello there. I'm going to show you a trick involving a calculator. Don't mind that. That's just my fat little nephew. Anyways, I'm going to do my password here. And I'm going to go into the calculator, just like that. Now I'm going to have my spectator, or multiple of them, to name any three numbers. So let's say they said 5, 2, 3. I'm going to hit times, and we're going to do this again. So let's say they said 1, 4, 5. Hit times again, and we're going to do it one more time. So let's say they said 8, 9, 9. I'm going to hit equal, and the number that comes out is, what is that, 17,283,955. I'm going to put my phone down here. Now, if you haven't noticed already, I have this little piece of paper in my watch here, and this is actually a prediction I made right before the trick. And if I flip it over, you'll see that the number is 17,283,955. What do you think of that? Now I'm gonna eat it. You obviously saw that. Anyways, let's show you how it's done. All right, so all you need for this trick is a little piece of paper, it doesn't matter what it is, with the prediction on it. And I'll get to this in a second. Most importantly, your phone. All right, this bad boy. So let me just do my password again. You're going to go into your calculator. Let me just erase that. And you're going to get a sequence. You're going to make a sequence of numbers here. All right, and it could be any pattern. But typically the number that you're going to, or the amount of numbers you're going to ask your spectator to name, you're going to want that to be roughly around the prediction you're going to make. So, like, you know, three numbers times three numbers times three numbers is going to be a pretty big number. So I like to go in the millions. So the pattern that I did was just, oopsie, like this. All right. So again, 1, 7, 2, 8, 3, 9, 5, 5, just like that. And then from here, you're going to hit plus and then 0, and then times and then 0. And now you're set up. You can turn off your phone, whatever, put it away. It's really great because you can be on the go and then just open up your phone and be like, hey, you want to see a trick? And you can do this all in front of them, and it's going to seem very believable, right? So now it's already set up. Now from here, it's better if you're like on the go. You might want to write the prediction right in front of them. It's just better. It makes it more believable. But from here, you're going to ask them to name any three numbers. So let's say they said 5, 6, 3, hit times. And then they ask them to name three numbers again. So 7, 8, 3 times, and you can go 2, 5, 5. Oh, that wasn't 3. There we go. And then hit equal, and it's going to be the same number that you originally wrote out. All right, and they could really write. You could have them name a billion numbers, and it wouldn't change anything. You go times to 22, and it will still equal. Oh, that's not right. No, sorry, I didn't set it up. Oopsie, that's divide. I swear I'm gonna get this right. Watch me. There we go. There we go. See? Now I can go any three numbers times any three numbers times any three numbers. I could just go on, you know, for infinity. Doesn't matter. As soon as I hit equal, it's the same number. Then you can reveal that prediction. And so that's the trick. Yeah. I hope you liked it. A little different this time. Yeah. Aw, man.